wonderful learners. I want to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be updated anytime that we upload video on this channel. Thank you for that. Today we want to prove quadratic formula, and I want to encourage you to prove this quadratic equation formula on your own as well. The standard form of quadratic equation is as squared plus bs plus c is equals to 0. So you are going to use this standard form to prove quadratic formula. What do you need to do? You just need to take few steps. The first step, take plus c to the other side. Take plus c to the other side of the equation. You will have as squared plus bs is equals to minus c. Remember, when you take plus c to the other side of the equation, it will become minus. Then the next step, which is the second step, is to divide by the coefficients of s squared. Divide by the coefficients of s squared. And what is the coefficient of s squared here? If you look at it critically, coefficient of s squared here is a. So you have as squared plus bs is equals to minus c over a over a over a, because we divide it by the coefficient of s squared. So a will eliminate a here, so we end up having s squared plus bs over a is equals to minus c over a. Then this third step, you need to take note of it. Add to both sides. Add to both sides the square of half of the coefficients of s. Coefficients. Remember that coefficients is the number before unknown variable. Coefficient of x here is b over a. So what is half of coefficient of s? I want to solve it here so that you will understand what we are doing. Half of the coefficient of s here is 1 over 2 multiplied by b over a, which will give us b over 2a. Then the question says we should square it. So by the time you square it, we are having b over 2a squared. So I just want you to understand what I explained there. So add to both sides the square of the half of the coefficient of s. So we are going to have s squared plus b over as plus b over 2a squared is equals to minus c over a plus b over 2a squared. Now, quadratically, this equation here will give us s plus b over 2a squared. If you open this, you are going to get this. So on the other side, you are going to open this one 2 times. So that means we have b times b and 2a times 2a. So we have minus c over a plus b times b will give us b squared, and 2a times 2a will give us 4a squared. Then the next thing to do is to find the SCL. Find the SCL. So we have s plus b over 2a squared is equals to 4a squared. A in 4a squared, we have 4a left. 4a times minus c will give us minus 4ac plus 4a squared in 4a squared will give us 1. 1 times b squared will give us b squared. And you can rewrite this. You have s plus b over 2a squared will give us b squared minus 4ac over 4a. Then the next step that you need to take is to take the square root. Take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. So by the time you introduce square roots here, you have s plus b over 2a squared is equals to square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. So this square here will eliminate this square root. And remember, anytime that you are asked to find square root of a number, it should be plus or minus. So this will give you s plus b over 2a is equals to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over square root of 4a squared. And you will end up having s is equals to, by the time you take plus b over 2a to the other side, it will become minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and the square root of 4 here will be 2. Square root of a squared will be 8. So what you need to do is to find the SCM, and your SCM will be 2a. 2a in 2a will give you 1. 1 times minus b will give you minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So I encourage you to prove this formula on your own. Thank you.